Hello, friends. Would you like to listen a story from me today? Now tell me, who is the largest animal in the jungle? Elephant, right? Who is the tallest one? Giraffe. Who is the fastest one? Cheetah. And who is the cleverest one? Wolf, right? Still, lion is the king of the jungle. Why? He does not have any quality of these four animals. Still, he is king of the jungle because of his attitude and mindset. In our society, we have people of these different talents. Still, very few people are wealthy and other are poor or mediocre. Because there are different mindsets of rich people and poor people. Rich people are bigger than their problems, and poor people are smaller than their problems. Getting rich is not stroll in the park. It is a journey with full of twists, turns, detours and obstacles. Road to wealth is trap in the pitfall. That is why most of the people don't take it. They don't want hassles, headaches and responsibilities. In short, they don't want any problem. Poor people do almost everything to avoid problem. They see the problem and they run. The irony is that in the quest to make sure that they don't have any problem, they have the biggest problem of all, that is they are broke and miserable. Secret of the success is not to avoid or get rid of any problem, but secret of the success to grow yourself enough so that you will become bigger than the problem. One thing you should note in your mind, that you are rich or poor, you are playing big or playing small, problems will not go away. As you are breathing, so-called problems or obstacles will be there. Here, size of the problem is never the issue. What matters most is size of you, that is size of your inner strength. This may be painful. But if you want to go to next level of the success, you have to go through this process. If you have big problems in life, that means you are being a small person. Your outer world is exactly a reflection of your inner world. So friends, if you want to make permanent change in your life, stop focusing on size of problem and start focusing on size of you. As I said in my earlier video, what you focus on expands. So if you feel you have big problems in life, then point to yourself. Take a deep breath in and decide right now at this very moment that I will become bigger than the problem and I will not allow problem to become bigger than me. Bigger the problems you can handle, bigger the business you can handle, bigger the responsibilities you can handle, more money you can handle, and ultimately more wealth you can handle. Your wealth can grow up to your level. So objective is your growth. Rich and successful people don't focus on the problem, but they focus on the solution. Mind generally focuses on one predominant thing at a time. That means either mind will focus on the problem or mind will focus on the solution. Rich people are solution oriented. They spend their time and energy in strategizing and planning to get a solution so that problems will not occur again. Poor people are problem oriented. They spend their time and energy in arguing and complaining about the problem. They focus on the problem and make problem bigger than them. Rich people don't focus on the problem and they don't avoid the problem, but they face the problem like a warrior. Here, definition of the warrior is someone who conquers oneself. So if you become masters in handling problem and overcoming obstacles, nothing can stop you from getting success in your life. And if nothing can stop you, you will become unstoppable. And if you become unstoppable, what choices you will have in your life? Answer is all. And if you become unstoppable, anything and everything is available for you in your life. So friends, if you have problems in life, you can do one more thing. Write down the problems you have in your life. Then write down the 10 specific actions you can take to overcome or at least improve the situation. This will move you from problem thinking to solution thinking. And chances are more that you will solve the problem and you will feel better than before. So now, say to yourself that I will become bigger than the problem and I can handle any problem. These are the attributes of rich and successful people. By adopting this, you will become rich and successful. Thank you very much. This is Sandesh Kesarath Rahul signing off till we meet again.